In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to follow accounts on TikTok. Now, unfortunately, there isn't one solution that will work for everyone, so you'll need to go through each of these steps to find the method that works for you. So the first thing you're going to do is just head over to your TikTok profile and come over to the navigation in the top right hand side. Click on Settings and Privacy. Next to Cache and the Mobile section, click on Free Up Space. And in here, you'll see both cache and downloads. So we're just going to press Clear next to Cache and press Clear. And then you're going to do the exact same thing for downloads as well and press Clear. Now, once you've done this, we're then just going to come back to the previous window, scroll all the way to the top and select Account. Click on User Information, and right at the top, you'll see phone number and email address. Now, make sure you have something selected for both of these. And once you've got both an email and phone number set up here, we're going to come back to the previous window, come back again, and then scroll all the way down to Log Out and select this. Click on Log Out to confirm. And then once you've logged out of your TikTok account, we're just going to head over to the home screen of your iPhone, hold down the application to bring up this menu, and then select Remove App and press Delete App. Once you've deleted the TikTok application, you can then head over to your App Store, click on the search box and search for TikTok, and then all we're going to do is reinstall the application like so. Now, once you've reinstalled the application, before we launch this up, we're going to head over to the settings in our iPhone, scroll down to General and select this, scroll down to VPN and device management, and in this window, just make sure you're not connected to a VPN. You can see here I have the text not connected, which obviously means I'm not connected. So once you've ensured you're not using a VPN, you can then close out of this window, and we're now going to head back over to the TikTok application, and you can log back into your account and check to see if that's now fixed the issue. Now, if that's still not working, another thing that we can try is resetting your account password. Now, I know this sounds quite stupid, but a lot of people have reported this working for them. So in order to do this, just head back over to the navigation in the top right hand side, click on Settings and Privacy, click on Account, and then select Password. And then you'll need to verify your email address first, and from here we'll be able to change our password. Now, if you have tried all of the steps in this video and that still hasn't solved the issue where you're unable to follow people, there could be an issue where your TikTok account is temporarily banned. This can be due to TikTok identifying you as a bot. So if you followed too many people, for example, in a short space of time, this is one way that it can signal the spam detection system. And if this is the case for you, then you may just need to wait 24 hours in order for this just to fix itself. And you'll need to make sure you limit the amount of people that you either follow or unfollow in a short space of time. And the only thing you can really do in this situation is wait out the ban. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.